Why in every video do I look so sweaty and gross? Oh, that's right, because it's a fitness channel. Hi, welcome back. It's been a minute. You know, I've been slacking, kind of lazy, not gonna lie. I am ready to get in the groove of things because this is my channel and I want you a part of my life. I hate bugs. One thing about the springtime, I hate bugs, and when it gets warm out, just not my thing. Sitting outside with my dog, such a nice day. Well, I want to tell you guys what this vlog is mainly about. It's gonna be just like a sit down and telling you what is coming, and I'm gonna have like a little series going on. So I want to get shredded. See, like, they're so tiny. Like, they're little guys. I want to get shredded for summer. I kind of want to do a mini cut, but I don't want to cut so much because I tend to get extremely nauseous and sick when I do try to cut. I don't know if that's my body telling me that I don't really have like a lot of fat to lose, or maybe I'm just not eating enough carbohydrates or whatever. I don't really know. I gotta kind of figure that out. I just got back from the gym. That's why I look so sweaty and my arms hurt so bad holding this. Ow. But anyways, I want to tell you guys what I'm gonna be doing. Yeah, just a little chitty chat with me and my Chloe girl. So like I said, I want to cut a little bit for summer. I want to get more, I don't know, little leaner, get a little bit more muscle, but I don't want to gain a lot of muscle to the point where I just look kind of gross, you know? And I don't think that's gonna happen. I always have the fear of like lifting heavy weights. I'm not a big weightlifter, so when I say like lifting heavy weights, it's like, I don't know, actually. I don't know what I'm going at. Okay, so I had a Monster earlier, and it was like the 0 sugar, 0 calorie ones, but it kind of like really have me like, I'm like hyper now. I'm ready to rage. I kind of have like a low-key headache. But stay on track. I'm like not on track at all, but it's fine. So yeah, I am going to be focusing a lot on what I'm eating, my workouts. I've been doing 2-a-days again. I started 2-a-days like 4 days ago. I'm only gonna do 2-a-days 3 times a week because it's extremely exhausting trying to do it twice, and to find the time, that's also another thing. Like, finding time to go to the gym twice a day can be really challenging. But I mean, you don't, when I say you do 2-a-days, you don't have to like go to the gym twice. You could go to the gym once and then maybe do like a HIIT workout, go for a run outside at your own house, so you don't have to really go to the gym twice. Now, I know that probably doesn't work for everyone, and a lot of people might think that's just not healthy, but it works for me, and I get really motivated and excited, like thinking like, I'm gonna go to the gym twice today, I'm gonna do 2 awesome workouts. Like, I'm trying to get really, really fit for summer. Not saying I'm not fit now, but like, I wanna lean out a little bit. Like, I'm not like, I don't know what I'm saying. That's just what I wanna do. I wanna try it. I wanna experiment with my body. I wanna do all that. Oh my god, these freaking bugs are so bad. Yeah, but I want to start juicing more. I love green juice. Oh shit, there's kids coming. My dog's gonna go ballistic. Easy. I'm going to start meal prepping. I honestly have never meal prepped before, but I'm gonna start doing that because your girl gets really hungry after the gym or for dinner, and I just sometimes don't feel like just making food. So when like I meal prep, it's already made for me in the fridge, and all I have to do really is heat it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, this is gonna be like a little series. I'm gonna start vlogging like more of my everyday life, and posting a lot more because I don't know, it's just more fun like that. It's hard to kind of just basically make videos and specify them like on a certain thing. I don't really, that's kind of not my style, so I don't want to like do that. I want to vlog more of like my everyday. So yeah, this series is gonna call Shredding for Summer Shred. I hated that. But it's fine. So yeah, it's gonna be Summer Shred, the series of shredding with Paige 101, shred with Paige. Ooh, kind of vibing that. So, this is kind of like the little intro video of my summer shred. And yeah, but I will keep you up to date. I'm going to be starting vlogging like every day now, just show you my recipes, body updates, all of that. I'm gonna give myself like, I'm not gonna give myself a time frame, but I'm gonna give myself a few months, because like summer is, it's literally April right now. Summer is super soon, and yeah, I want to be looking like my best self. So yeah, if you want to come on this journey with me, if you want to get shredded, let's do it together, girl. Let's do it. So yeah, see you in my next vlog. Let's get shredded. She wants to get shredded too. Yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more fun videos. And yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog. Peace out, homies. Hated that again. Wow. Yeah. See you in my next vlog.